What's up, guys? I got a new camera, so you can probably tell looks a little bit better. Hope no more, iPhone footage. Not that the iPhone footage is bad; it's good. I hate using just this to record when it just drains my battery and I can't use my phone at all. I can't listen to music. I can't do shit while I'm recording. So today we are and by we I mean me, installing 3P. So I've got V2 right now. I love V2, it's great, it's been great. I like having 8 presets, not that I need it, but just having them. But my manifold is a bit leaky. I need to replace the fittings on the actual manifold itself. So I'm gonna get that done and then probably sell the manifold or sell the management as a whole. I've got a spare tank, spare compressor, everything that you guys need or anyone needs if they want it. I'm gonna be swapping over to the 3P today. I've got a bunch of fittings that I've got for it. Since my V2 is 3/8, my 3P is 1/4. So I'm gonna have to run all new lines and everything as well. But for that, I bought the fittings just so that you can run the 1/4-inch lines on the actual management. So I'm gonna bring the car in and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna get right to it. Let's get the car up on all 4 jack stands so I can air it out and go from there. So, be right back. So I'm gonna work on the trunk stuff first. I gotta get all that old stuff out. And I'm gonna try and move some stuff around so that the new management sits better. I'll explain that right now. I just don't like the way that these lines all come out and go their separate ways. So I'm gonna try and fix that. With all this, so alright, all of the air is out of both the tank and all the bags. So now I'm gonna set up the table and get all this trunk set up out so I can get the new Airlift in. Sorry that you haven't been able to see shit apparently. I'm just gonna keep it. Alright, so I got the V2 out. Alright, that's my hack job, don't worry about that. I'm gonna replace those fittings like I said. This big boy is ready to go in, so I don't know if I want to mount it here or here. If that's even enough room. I think with the 1/4-inch though, I should be alright to just mount it like here and then have the lines routing back like I did before. I think it's a little bit easier when there's the 1/4-inch lines versus the 3/8. So gotta replace all these fittings again. Like I said, this is 3/8, so gotta replace that. And on my, I just had it, but on my water trap, also 3/8. So I'm gonna get to replacing all of that and then get it back in. All this has been taken apart. All these should just be able to pull through, but I'm gonna take apart the interior a little bit more to make it easier for myself, so I will be right back. All right, so I am done running this line through the wheel or the door sills. All this is pretty much, I mean, this is for the remote wire. I got all this sorted out too, because this was all a fucking clusterfuck. Bunch of useless shit. I connected the power and ground. The power didn't even have a connector to it, so I just added a quick one there. All that's connected, and yeah, I mean, the interior is a fucking disaster. I don't know if you've ever installed bags, but it is truly a disaster doing it. So yeah, all that's done. I'm gonna move on to the other side, and then I'll take the wheels off and get the bags done. I'm gonna reseal the rear bags yet again, just because I want to use thread sealant this time, so we'll do that. The front bags I'll do it while the wheels are off. It's gonna be easy. I have to change the fittings anyway. The rear fittings are already actually 1/4 inch. I had to use adapters to size them up because the bags couldn't fit 3/8 with the amount of space back there. It just wouldn't have fit. So this actually kind of works better. I'll be running 1/4 inch all the way around. I do have new fittings for this on both sides, so that I could still have my quick connects just in case I ever rub through a line or something. I can always just replace that line that I rubbed through instead of running new wire all the way through and to the back again. So I want to get some more done, and I will be right back. Okay, so got more done here. I got the rear, or this side of the lines ran. Tucked the harness a bit underneath here because it's a fucking rat's nest. I'm gonna run this through here. And from in here, I'm gonna run it under the tank, maybe, if I have clearance. And I do not have clearance, so guess not. Whatever. Bring this back, run this way. And this will go in here, just like that. So everything is pretty much done. Just gotta do the fittings on all the bags, and I will, I guess, kind of record doing the fittings right now. Be right back. Okay, so I've got this fitting done, that fitting done up there, which actually so I got that fitting up there, that fitting there. I'm gonna run the line from here all the way down or whatever. So let me get that done. Okay, line is now ran. So on to the rear and then the next side. All right, everything is in. Well, I mean, not the interior, but everything should be good to go. Keyboard is should be. We will see if I got any leaks or anything, because that's just me. So yeah, let's see if this even turns on. Well, that's a good sign. There's one compressor on. So yeah, this I got 2 compressors, so I gotta get the harness for the second compressor. I'm gonna go ahead and let this build some pressure, and I will be back. All right, so we are on the ground. It is time to calibrate the system itself so that, you know, I have accurate pressures and whatnot or whatever. So I'm gonna turn the car on. Alright, so we're in the car and we are going to calibrate the system here. So we're gonna press these two. I'm gonna go in the menu. And we're gonna go down to calibration. And start. Vehicle on a level surface. Yes. Front wheel straight. Yes. Yep. Yep. One compressor. And just do auto. No height sensors. And we are ready. I'll be back when this is almost done. Alright, so that was a lot faster than I anticipated. So, calibration successful. We're going to hit my exit. And this is my preset right here. Or actually, let's go to this. No. Operation, rise on start is going to be on. Preset maintain on, and that's pretty much it. That's all I care about. Axle equalization, that's on. Make sure. Okay. And yeah, get this preset. And there it is. So, yeah. 3P, it's going to be a lot better than the V2. I can already tell there's like no leaks. It held the pressure pretty easily, and it's hitting my presets a whole lot better than the V2 did. That, in my theory, is the 3/8 inch lines, because I had 3/8 inch lines with a 3P on my Mazda, and that bitch would never hit the presets correctly, like at all, ever. It would not happen. Here, you can definitely tell it's working, and it's the 1/4 inch lines this time. So, yeah, that's pretty much for this video. I am gonna play around with the settings and everything, and I'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Ride on triple chrome, glide on them Vogues. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my click. Let them see how out they gone, out the blicks. Pray to God right before I hit a lick. Side with 240s when I cuss, I chop a kick.